boy, Dart Zone's back at it again.
What's up guys, Apple43 here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Adenture Force Aeon. How do you pronounce it?
Aeon or Aeon.
Okay. I'm just gonna go with Aeon until I know what it is. Anyway, the Aeon Pro is a spring-powered, magazine-fed pistol made by Adenture Force. It might be little brother to the Nexus Pro. Is it? Let's find out. Starting up at the front, we have the same nozzle extension, please don't call it that was on the Nexus Pro. Up front's your iron sight, which corresponds with the back one. And between that is a Picatinny style rail, so if you want to mount any real steel or airsoft scopes, optics, you can. Below that is just a comfy little piece to put your hand there. It doesn't move, it doesn't open, just a little piece to put your hand. Moving back is the priming handle. It takes a considerable amount of force to prime this thing. There we go. That took forever. All you have to do is just... To prime, you just pull back, then push forward, and then you fire. The required strength to prime this blaster is way more than any other Nerf gun that I've ever played with, so wouldn't really recommend this to small hands. Below that is the magazine. Well, you just, to get it in, you pull back on the ridiculously heavy priming handle, and just stick in your magazine. And this magazine, well, is compatible with every Nerf magazine that I've tried.
What about bullets?
And bullets. Included short darts, Nexus Pro long darts, Adenture Force waffle head darts, and Nerf Elite darts, don't use those. Below that are the magazine releases. If you're using the included half blank darts, then there's two magazine releases. One for the half dart magazine, and one for the adapter, or if you're just using normal darts. To get the half length darts out, you have to pull back on the slide, and just pull it out. And it goes the same for the adapter and full length mags. Up top right here we have a priming indicator which doubles as a reset button. When you're not primed, this little orange piece right here, it is inserted in the blaster, and when you prime, it's sort of visible. What's really cool about this gun is that you can shotgun load with the reset button 2 rounds or even 3 rounds. Hold down, reset button, prime again, hold it down again. There's 3 rounds loaded in. Down below is the safety switch. The safety switch has 2 sides. One says F for fire, one says S for safe, just like on the Nexus Pro. Of course, when you push in the S, it's on safe, you can't pull the trigger. Push it on F, you can fire. Now down to the trigger. This is the same trigger design as the Nexus Pro, and like it, it's pretty smooth. And finally, the grip. This is the exact same grip as the Nexus Pro, and just like that, it's super comfortable. It looks plain and basic, but plain and basic can be good. Like Nerf, they've done really crazy grips recently with the, don't get me started on Elite 2.0. And at the back, there's no M4 buffer tube like on the Nexus Pro, and there's no Nerf stock attachment point. Bummer. That's all the information I can provide on the Aeon Pro. Now I'm going to boot up my GoPro, we're going to take it outside, and we're going to see it fire. And I'm also going to tell you guys a little story while we're out there. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what it's like to shoot an Aeon Pro. Don't have a chronograph still, and I don't plan on getting one, so I can't give exact numbers, but I'll try to throw some down the street to give you guys a simulation. Okay, before we start, I'm going to tell you guys a little story. Remember when I was filming the Nexus Pro review and some footage corrupted? I was shooting the Elite darts part, and one curved to the right so badly it landed on someone's roof. That's how bad Elite darts are. Alright, let's see, what do we got here? We have short darts, Nexus Pro long darts. I had more, I lost them. Waffle head darts, and Nerf Elite darts. I'm shooting 6 of them, except for the Nexus Pro long darts, because I lost them. Alright, we got my sister Carolina helping us today. How you doing, Lina?
I'm doing great.
Alright.
Also, I love going around here.
Alright, wanna shoot some guns with me?
Sure.
Let's go. Oh, I got 2 out of there on accident.
Oh, too far.
That's it.
Want me to go get her?
Nah, not now.
Why? Thanks, bud.
Nexus long darts. I only got 2 of them.
Yep.
I lost them.
Let's go, bud.
Okay, Caroline. That one didn't fire. I dropped it.
Come on, Aiden, load up. There you go, Aiden. Load. Fire.
Nexus long darts. Now, the iconic waffle head darts.
Waffle heads. What amazing fruit.
What?
Cycling.
Don't mind her,
I said amazing
that one went
fruit.
spinning. She speaks a little bit weird, don't mind her. These
Sometimes.
ones are spinning. It's kind of weird. That one's straighter.
Yeah, that one's chicken too. That one's horrible. Horrible.
No, those were good, Lana.
No one's better in the back of the head.
Yeah, the ones that went farthest back are the best. And now the elite darts. Don't even get me started on these. It's gonna be crazy, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're doing our stuff now.
No, we're not. Carolina, stop talking. Oh, that one was...
Original.
Shh. That was terrible. That one went to the left quite a bit. That one went right then left.
Is that all?
Landed in the sand pit. Oh, that's it. All right, let's pick up the darts. Check out those ranges. We started right here. This was the short dart where I accidentally shot 2 shots.
Yep.
Some waffle head darts, short dart, elite, waffle head darts, long dart, there's an elite, bunch of short darts, then an elite one. Yeah, that's it. Let's pick up the darts and go back inside.
Hey, how many pick up?
Overall, I'm really happy with Adenture Force making the Aeon Pro. Spring powered, magazine fed, it's almost just like the Nexus Pro, but there's one major flaw about this blaster. The priming handle. Oh, is this uncomfortable. It's not only hard to prime, but the way it's designed, like, I'm not sure if I should put my hand here. Like, I'm trying as hard as I can to prime it, or if I should do it like this. It's just so uncomfortable. But luckily, I learned a trick and I'm gonna share it with you guys. I'll do it right now. Here's what you gotta do. Move the priming handle back a little bit. Hook these 3 fingers around the priming handle. Set the blaster on your leg and then pull as hard as you can. That's my technique. Hopefully it'll be useful to you guys. So I would say the Aeon Pro is the little brother to the Nexus Pro, but it just doesn't feel like it would be practical in anyone's arsenal or like whatever. It just doesn't feel practical because of the priming handle. If it was just a little bit more comfortable or just a tiny bit weaker, I feel like this might be really good for me. And also, I'll do a comparison video on these 2 in the future. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, I think I've covered everything. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. See you guys.